Are you putting in the work but you're struggling to grow your channel? Today I'm here to share with you 5 common mistakes that could be keeping your channel small and how to avoid them. So if you're very serious about growth, stick with me, and if you're ready, let's get started. The first one is inconsistent upload schedule. One of the fastest ways to lose momentum on YouTube is by posting irregularly. Even if your audience are expecting to see your video at a particular time and they don't see it, from there they would easily lose interest and go search for knowledge elsewhere. So it's important to stick to a particular schedule. It's important to stick to what works for you and be consistent with it. You don't have to upload daily, but you need to be consistent. If it's once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, whatever works for you, just make sure you stand by it. Second point is ignoring the SEO, the search engine optimization. This is very vital if you want to grow on YouTube. You might be making great content, but if no one can find your content, then nobody will be able to see the value that you are creating. So it's important, just like Google search, so also is YouTube being a search engine. It's a searching place for people to come and find out things. So you have to structure your content in such a way that people will easily find it. And how do you do that? Always use relevant keywords in your titles, in your descriptions, and in your tags. Whatever keyword is around the value you're about to give, make sure you use that keyword in your title. Make sure you use it in your description and also in your tag. This will go a whole long way for you. Write a detailed description about what the video is all about. Don't forget your thumbnails. Make sure they're very catchy and the words written on it very bold so that it can be easily seen. Remember, if you're not optimizing for search, then you'll be missing out on views. I mean, if people cannot find your content, there's no way they will view them. These 3 steps I just listed is very important under the search engine optimization. The third point is not having a clear niche. If you don't have a clear niche or your content is just scattered all over the place, this will confuse your audience. It will also confuse the algorithm, because some people will subscribe to your channel because of a particular content. So if you are doing different type of content, then you'll be having different type of audience. So it's going to look funny. The day you post this, the audience that want that kind of thing you are posting will watch it, and the other ones will not watch. And the day you post the other, the people that subscribe for the other kind of content will come to watch it just because of that. So there'll be a kind of confusion. So it's important that even if you don't have a clear niche from the beginning, come to an understanding of what you really want to do, and niche down to that particular thing so that every content that you are doing will be pieced together in that content that you are doing. If your channel feels too scattered, try to be the go-to expert of a particular thing. So that will help you to niche down to a particular area. The fourth one is poor audience engagement. So if you're not responding to comments, then you are not yet ready to build a community. If you're not using your community tab, you are not ready as well. It doesn't matter who is liking your post or who is not liking it. As a small creator, just continue to do the work. By the time people that really want the value that you are providing comes, you'll be amazed at the transition, at the way your channel is going to change. So it's important, just keep on posting. It doesn't matter how many likes or how many comments you get. Continue to post, continue to engage like you are a big channel. That is just the secret to it. Look at the big channels. What are they doing? See how there are so many comments and so many things going on in their channel. Do your thing like you are already a big channel. By the time your channel will turn around, you'll be happy and you'll be grateful for it. Because when people start trooping into your channel and they don't find those engagements, they don't find you responding to comments, or you don't have a community tab, you're not using your community tab and all those things, what exactly will they come to? Or you don't even have enough posts for them to draw from. So that's why it's important to engage your audience and continue to do your uploads consistently. Building a community takes time. It's not done in a day. People that are really having lots of engagement now, they started from somewhere. So if you are not actively engaging with your community, you are going to be missing out a whole lot. And the last mistake I have here is focusing on views and not value. Some people are just after the views. You just want to post something and you are looking at the views. Oh, are my views going up? You are really concerned about the views, but you are not concerned about the value. I think it's time to focus on the value you are bringing to the table, because if you focus on that value, the views will definitely come. It's no magic. If you are providing value to people, if you're actually serving your audience, if you're actually serving people, if you're actually on the YouTube space to serve, definitely the views will come, because the people that need that value will definitely come to you, provided you are doing things the right way, provided you are making good use of the search engine optimization, creating content that are being searched for. You will definitely get those views. So please focus on that value that you are giving, and every other thing will fall into place. Instead of focusing on quick wins, think of how you can provide a long-term value to your audience. Think of that content, think of those evergreen content that 4 years down the line, 10 years down the line, people will still come to it and find it valuable. People are still searching for that thing. That is what you should focus on. If you can focus on that, trust me, you are a winner already. Think on what can you teach them. Think on how can I entertain them. If you can think of these two things, because let me tell you, this is what everybody is looking for on YouTube. It's either they are looking for something to learn, something how to do this or how to do that. That's why people come on YouTube. Or they are coming to YouTube to laugh, comedy, entertainment, to relax, to pray. You know, people come to YouTube for various things. So just look for that thing that you are good at, that you want to serve them, that people will always come back to and people will always fall back to. If you can find it and you can do it well, then you are a winner. So if any of these mistakes sounds familiar to you, don't worry, it's never too late to change them, never too late to start raising up and doing the right things, and your channel will be better for it. So if you have found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel for more growth tips, and please turn on your notification bell so that you can be aware of the next video. And until I see you in my next video, bye for now.